What's up, guys? This is Michael with Michelin Metals, back today to talk about super alloys. All right, now get your checkbooks out because these things are super expensive, but bomb. I'll be here all week. So today we are going to talk about cobalt in the last of our videos on the nickel and cobalt based alloys. But before we jump in, I just want to say thank you to you guys right here, you 8%. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now the other 92% of you, how about let's turn that thumb upside down and do a little bit of boop, subscribe right there, bink, just hit it, can't hurt. Appreciate it, thanks for watching. Let's get into it. In our last video in this series about nickel and cobalt based alloys, we talked about the Hastelloys, nickel based alloys made by Haynes International. The name Hastelloy comes from Haynes Stellite Alloy, Hastelloy. Stellite name is also associated with products made by this company. The early company was named Haynes Stellite, and later became the Stellite division of Union Carbide, and then Cabot Corporation. The Stellite name then went to Kennametal in hard facing and tooling products, and the current Haynes International remains as the wrought metal products mill that we know today. So, what other types of alloys developed by Haynes International can we talk about? You guessed it! The alloys that have cobalt as the majority element. So, as we did in the previous video, we will only give you the major elements required to define the alloy. Specifications will include requirements for restrictions and other minor elements. So make sure you always check the spec. We have included some other names as well. So remember that a trade name product can only be produced by specific mills. Generic products may be produced by others. Cobalt-based alloys are assigned the letter R prefix. Other metal groups also share this prefix. And remember, the UNS designation only defines the chemical composition. So here goes. Some of the common grades of cobalt-based wrought alloys are as follows. Haynes 188, UNS R30188 has a nominal composition consisting of 39% cobalt, 22% nickel, 22% chromium, 3% iron, and 14% tungsten. Its strength comes from the elements in solid solution and cannot be increased by heat treatment. It is used in high temperature applications. Haynes Ultimet UNS R31233 is an alloy of 54% cobalt, 9% nickel, 26% chromium, 3% iron, 5% molybdenum, and 2% tungsten. It is used in corrosion environments with a need for some additional wear or galling resistance. Also a solution-strengthened alloy. Haynes 25, or more commonly known as the generic L605, UNS R30605 is 51% cobalt, 10% nickel, 20% chromium, 15% tungsten, and 1.5% manganese. Its strength and oxidation resistance have been long used in gas turbine components. A solid solution alloy. Haynes 6B, aka Stellite 6B, UNS R30016 has a nominal composition of 58% cobalt, 2.5% nickel, 30% chromium, 4% tungsten, 1.4% manganese, 3% iron, and 1.5% molybdenum. A solid solution alloy for high temperature applications. MP35N, that is M as in Michael, P as in Paul, 35N as in Nancy, UNS R30035 is an alloy of 35% cobalt, 35% nickel, 20% chromium, and 10% molybdenum. A solid solution alloy that can be strengthened by cold work with or without heat treatment for aerospace applications. These alloys are very complex, so application is best left to the very experienced aerospace and corrosion design engineers. Their specifications will fully define the material, so as we always say, wait for it, check the specs twice. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Michael with Michelin Metals. I'm surely grateful for you tuning in. Now, if you've missed anything from before, click here. And if you've been watching this whole time, click here if you haven't subscribed, because let's face it, if you've made it 5 minutes into this video, you like metal. Click here. We are going to do one more video for the year 2020, and we will be done with 2020. Thank you for nothing, 2020. You were terrible. See you later. Welcome 2021. Vaccine, maybe a return to some normalcy. But till then, everybody mask up, stay safe, and I will get back to you guys next week. This is Michael with Michelin Metals. One more to go for the year 2020. Thanks for watching. I'm out.